No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene. DBS girl, let's check back up.
Kahit makapal, kahit hindi sa loob, pwede mo o hindi. Nay, mabaka na yung Farex mo. Oo, Pilipinas ay parang excited kapag may pumaasa sa'yo. Hindi ka kami maipusang alay kung sobrang hit sa tulong ng Farex Vitamin B1, B6, B12. With aging, nagkakamuscle decay, which is due to higher risk of illness. Yan ang cycle of weakness. Strict and durable with strength growth. HMB and Help build the cycle of strength.
Every Filipino deserves the gentlest care down there. Dapat. PH Share. Oh, gentlest care. PH Zero ever Filipino. Gentlest care for everything. Gentlest care for every Filipino.
Daming pagsubok. Kailangan din naman.
Ha?
Kasama sa buhay. May powers ka. Paano makalaban din tayo ng pata?
Not all toothpaste are made equal. The new Colgate Total is 3 times more effective at fighting bacteria, a key root cause of many preventable issues. This formula will 100% of people's strength for oral health helps prevent problems before they start. New Colgate Total, accepted by PDA.
Choose invention. Choose your craving. Choose invention.
The KFC Choose and Match is here.
Choose invention KFC.
Kanila na ang bright skin. I want Vita Brighter Skin. Micro Whitening Lotion with beauty vitamins for standout brighter skin and as early as 6. It's giving Vita Brighter.
I know, right?
Fresh and fortified. Ang gatas na may tripling lakas. May lakas. Ang lakas. Ang hindi lakas. Araw-araw ang sarap. Ang tripling lakas ng Fresh and fortified. 750 lang per glass. Sulit.
Instant relief in 2 minutes.
For excellence in kids' cough relief, it's found.
Sige anak, labas mo.
Excellent maglabas ng phlegm of bacteria para umabot sa lungs. Excellent in expelling phlegm. Excellent in taste. And most even prescribe branded Ampexol. Cough with phlegm, ilabas mo yan with expel. Excellent mag-expel.
Sa wakas! May mega panala! Games! Shows! Prizes! Kami nanalo! Register na!
New Christmas season ng imagination. Hindi lang panalo sa professional. Memories of emojis. Tama natin makihula.
Tina, may Shopee ako.
Emojilation season 5. It's more fun than you can. Emoji.
Hurts na.
Imagination! Sci-fi 30 p.m. sa TV5! Nagkakainis! Parang hindi sila natutuwang maganda tayo.
Paano mong maayos ka? Nasa gitna pa rin ako. Wala akong nalabos ang kasama ko sa pinunong siya. Wala ko nag-aalala. Dapat kang bumalik, kaya hindi siya.
Ay, Shopee ako, Nay.
Mama! Mama, do